What's up, everybody? Sean Fruin here. So I had this little error today right here that I figured it'd be a good time to share kind of why I use Design Script and show you how things can be done a little bit quicker. The first reason I use it, I just think it looks way cleaner. It's a little bit easier to troubleshoot. I actually use the no to code. I'll show you that here in a minute. But first, let's copy this data and fix this up. So I need to do a lacing longest lacing get parameter index rather than just getting the index. So I figured out my problem with this area one before I went and changed all these. And so now we'll use that syntax. So let's copy that one. Now we're going to use Notepad++. Thank you, Chris Link, for showing me this wonderful program. And we're going to replace that space list by the appropriate function. And we can do them all at once, as you'll see. So grab that, replace that with that, do them all. Now let's take care of the end. So copy the end part, replace it with the old end part, and voila. So now we can copy all this and put it right back in to Dynamo. And there you have it fixed. So rather than take in, let's just mess around, maybe try this. So I would have had to take this, copy it, paste it, change the number, repeat. So this is just cooling loads. If you can imagine doing this for heating loads too, and just all the other space parameters we're pushing, then look it. So there's an error. So even it's just annoying. So again, let's take advantage of this. So I'll just redo it. So much simpler, easier way to fix codes. You can replace text too and stuff. So if you do something, I've done this with air terminals where it's the same. And you can also build with it. So let's look at this one. I haven't really mapped out yet, but the idea is here. So I like to have a shared parameter file with all my shared parameters, and it helps to get the communication between Excel and Revit and Dynamo, because you can just copy and build nodes this way. So in Excel, we'll paste this. Again, like we did the last one, we'll copy the Revit, set space parameter. We'll paste that first part in there. Go get the last part. And paste that in here. Clean it up. So we can have like a variable. Usually, they come in at some sort of pattern. Usually 1 through 1, 2, 3, etc. So now we'll pull all that down.